The format of the Global Humanitarian Research Academy combines 1 week of academic training in Mainz or in Exeter and 1 week of archival research in Geneva. It's a unique chance for Ph.D. candidates and for early career researchers to meet each other, to network, and to meet senior research fellows in the field.
My motivations and expectations to apply for the Global Humanitarian Research Academy was to meet other scholars that are working in the field of human rights and humanitarianism and to do research in Geneva.
The Global Humanitarianism Research Academy is a new, exciting, and we think unique collaboration involving 3 partners. Here in Mainz, the Leibniz-Institut of European History, in Exeter, the Center for Imperial and Global History, and in Geneva, the International Committee of the Red Cross.
My motivations for joining the Global Humanitarian Research Academy was to further refine and develop my own research projects within an atmosphere of collegial exchange.
Considering the emerging field of research on the history of humanitarianism and human rights, we would like to give young researchers working in both fields an academic forum for interdisciplinary dialogue and academic exchange.
My motivation for joining the Global Humanitarian Research Academy was to engage in an interdisciplinary forum with a focus on how to use history to inform contemporary debates on humanitarian ideas and practice.
My motivation for applying to the Global Humanitarianism Research Academy was to join a group of young researchers and top scholars from around the world who are invested in these interesting topics of humanitarianism and human rights.
The International Committee of the Red Cross has opened its archives to the public. It is therefore very important to foster research, and we're very happy to be able to promote these archives and the stories of conflicts and violence within universities. And the partnership with Exeter and Mainz is in this respect a very good and new opportunity for us.
And my expectations were to further refine my research studies through the time that's been set aside and protected for us to do our own individual research at the International Committee of the Red Cross archives.
Also, the possibility of going to the ICRC in Geneva and do training in their archives was a great motivation for me.
My expectations were to just have some great discussions, read some of the top scholarship, most recent scholarship, and then actually go out and do some practical experience in the archives in Geneva with the International Committee of the Red Cross.